Okay, welcome to week 3 of quant reasoning. And now I tell you what, you're done with the easy stuff. Now we're getting into more sophisticated material. And I want to caution you, I mentioned this, or I told you about this at the beginning of the class. Your deadline is not midnight. Your deadline is not 11:59. Your deadline is 10:59 because we're on Central Standard Time. Some of you evidently either didn't listen to that or didn't see it, etc. So that's your deadline for getting stuff in for full credit. Okay, remember, if you're late, you can still get the half credit, but that's what you want to remember from now on. But what I got to tell you is that if you're waiting until Sunday night to get this material in, from now on, you're really going to be in trouble, because now we get into much more sophisticated material. Now, the first two items in week 3 deal with polynomial functions and quadratic functions. You're not going to have too much trouble with that if you read through the material and look at the video and do the PowerPoint and do the similar problems. That one you should be okay on. But I'm warning you, and by the way, you need that for stat, and to some degree you're going to need it for finance and econ, but mostly for stat. The second part of the assignment, 6.1 and 6.2, that's when you get into something called matrices, and the econ teachers expect you to know that. That they require, and that is not easy material. So you got to start on that right now, today, and go through the problems. All right, do the best you can. I don't want you, well, I shouldn't say I don't want you to. You can buy a sophisticated calculator for $75, $80, which has a lot of the stuff on matrices there, but I wouldn't do that because we only use it really just for that section on matrix and matrices. I would use the computer for that. Go through the stuff several times. Try your best on that, and nobody's going to flunk this course because they don't get full credit for the matrices, because that is difficult material. Okay, what else here? Yeah, I would just say this, that again, you can't wait until the last minute or you get into a lot of trouble. And look, in fairness to the students, I mean, we've got close to 15 students in this class, and they're really doing a terrific job. I'm sorry, but there's no extensions. We stay right at the deadline, because people are working very, very hard. I can't give extensions to some people and not give extensions to other people. Everybody, has tough times and they have troubles, but you still have to remain dedicated to getting that work done. Okay, now remember, you don't have until midnight. You have until 11 o'clock to get that stuff done. Okay, work hard. Okay, go through those materials, read the book, and watch out. The Matrix series, that's the one you want to start on earlier. All right, goodbye now. Good luck.